Select a suitcase or backpack that fits your trip duration. For short trips, a carry-on may suffice. For longer stays, opt for a larger suitcase. Divide your list into categories: clothing, shoes, electronic, etc. to ensure you don't forget anything. Packing cubes help separate different categories: tops, bottoms, underwear for easy access. Some cubes compress your clothes for further saving spaces. Fill shoes with socks or smaller items and use any gaps in your suitcase for smaller items like chargers or accessories. Bring 2 or 3 pairs of shoes that can be used for different occasions: casual, formal, and outdoor. Wear bulkiest pair. If traveling by plane, wear your bulkiest shoes to save space in your luggage. Use travel-sized containers for liquids or transfer products into smaller bottles. Place toiletries in a Ziploc bag to prevent leaks and spills. Look up for the weather forecast for your destination to ensure you pack appropriate clothing. Consider bringing layers that can be mixed and matched, allowing for versatility. If you anticipate bringing items back, leave some space in your luggage or pack a foldable tote bag. Go through your packing list one last time before you leave to make sure you have everything. By following these steps, you will pack efficiently and be ready for any adventure. Subscribe, share, and see you in our next video.